Welcome to Crypto Nights, Matteo here. Are you a newbie looking for a way to make a fortune in the crypto market? Then this video is for you. Today we'll cover the basics that all beginners should know before investing in crypto coins. In this video I focus on shedding light on the diverse ways through which you can invest in the popular crypto coin, Bitcoin. Let's talk about investing in cryptocurrency for beginners, shall we? Cryptocurrencies are digital coins that aid transactions like real-life currencies. In the same way regular currencies are used for daily transactions, these digital coins serve as assets for easy online transactions. Records from 2013 have shown that cryptocurrencies have driven bigger and bigger players into the digital community in the past few years. Now more investors are looking forward to buying large crypto coins due to their volatility. Over the years, cryptocurrencies have proven to be a suitable investment. You do not need a fortune to invest in crypto. With a capital of as little as $10, you can own a particular volume of crypto coins. With this coin in your possession, you can exchange it for other crypto coins or wait until the value appreciates and sell it for profit. As a beginner, you must understand that although there are numerous coins, they are not all profitable. The reason is that these coins serve different purposes and are accepted on specific platforms. So to be on the safe side, it is best to buy coins that hold more relevance in the economy. Example of such coins is Bitcoin or Ethereum or Solana. As a beginner trying to find your way in the crypto market, you do not need to make some of the mistakes I made when I started. So let me share with you the vital investment guides that helped me in my journey in crypto. Investing in crypto coins is not difficult, but you do need to be careful to avoid falling prey to low profit coins. Trust me, the only consolation about crypto is when profits are made, which is only possible if you make the right call. Here are some important things to consider before investing in crypto coins. Number one, the purpose of the investment. You should have a clear purpose for investment, either long-term or short-term. Some coins do well within weeks, while others may take several months before experiencing a pump. A common mistake made by beginners is that they rush into buying crypto coins with the intent to make profits and leave the market in a few days. You must let go of this mentality if you are to get maximum profits. Understand that there are numerous coins and each bears a different worth and investment in the market. Invest in crypto coins with a prospective uptrend rather than a downtrend. We will find time to discuss some basic trading strategies after this session. For now, invest in coins that serve importance in the digital market. For instance, Bitcoin serves as a means of exchange on several online platforms. That's the reason behind its high worth and profit value for investors. Number two, always invest in the future. Always think ahead. You must realize that investments made are for the future, not the present. Most beginners often make investments and hope to make profits in little time. This is not always so because the market value might fluctuate due to certain changes in the market. So invest in coins with a high chance for growth in the future. Do not let their present price influence your decision. For instance, when Bitcoin was listed, one BTC was barely $10. Now it is worth about $38,000 in the market. Investors that bought large volumes then now have a stable fortune to trade within the crypto market. So always think big and think ahead. Number three, consider volatility. Part of what makes the crypto market balanced is volatility. Volatility explains the rise and fall in the prices of crypto coins in the digital market. Before investing in any coins, consider their previous price and volatility. This helps you decide if buying the coin is a good investment. As a beginner, you can buy a certain volume of a coin when it is at a low price and sell when the price is high. This is a basic strategy that many traders exploit. Number four, risk management. As a beginner in the market, understand that risk and losses are part of the system. Regardless, you have to keep it minimal while making profits. For a short-term investment, always keep an eye on the charts and trade carefully. Consider the bullish and bearish trends to maximize for your advantage. Number five, invest within your budget. The major reason why some investors suffer losses in crypto trading is that they invested with their main funds. One strategy that helped me a lot was making investments with extra funds. As a result, I won't be devastated if the coin does not do well within a short time. With this, you remain safe and unbothered even when losses are made. If you cannot bear the loss, don't invest in crypto coins. How to invest in Bitcoin for beginners? So how do we invest in Bitcoin if we are a beginner? There are numerous cryptocurrencies for investment, but Bitcoin has stood the test of time. It is one of the most stable cryptocurrencies. So here are the ways to invest in Bitcoin. Number one, crypto exchange platforms. You can invest in Bitcoin using crypto exchange platforms like Binance, KuCoin, and Coinbase. These platforms are trusted, safe, and operate as decentralized organizations. They have no affiliations with any country, which means they are committed to keeping your coins safe. Number two, traditional brokers. If you want to go the old-fashioned way, you can invest with conventional brokers. Traditional brokers like Tastyworks and TradeStation are still in the game and aid the trading of Bitcoins on different platforms in exchange for any asset. Number three, mobile apps. Some mobile apps now aid financial transactions through them. Like banks and exchange platforms, these financial apps allow buying and selling Bitcoin. Their services are available in almost all countries with approved transactions with banks and payment methods. So, to sum it up, cryptocurrencies have come to stay and so far are dominating the digital market. Each coin has trading signals and charts, so exploit these features to aid your investment and trade. As a beginner, try not to be greedy, but instead have big dreams and be consistent in your efforts. Well, that is all for today. I thank you very much for watching until the end. This is Matteo from Crypto Nights. I hope you found this video helpful as you begin your journey into the wonderful world of cryptocurrencies. If you have any question or comment, just go to the section below and share your thoughts. I will do my best in providing a prompt response. If you enjoyed the video, then of course hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out other golden videos. Thank you very much. I wish you a fantastic day.